Hello, my name is Alisa. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, we upload a new video every week. We do it every Friday. My goal is to help you understand and speak English fluently. Today, I would like to talk about linking verbs. I will explain to you how to use these linking verbs and will give you some example sentences that help you make your English sound better. In English, we have action verbs and linking verbs. I think you already know that action verbs express action, like I speak, you listen, we understand. Linking verbs connect the idea in the sentence. The flower smells nice. It feels cold. So the verbs smell and feel are the linking verbs. Linking verbs get their name because they connect, they link the subject and the rest of the sentence. The most common linking verbs are be, become, feel, have, do, look, grow, seem, smell, sound. The strawberry smells fresh. He sounds angry. Some verbs are only linking verbs, and they do not express any action, they just link the idea in the sentence. The following three verbs are always linking verbs: be, become, seem. The students are smart. The weather seems fine. My dog became fluffy. Now, let's practice using linking verbs in the sentences. I will give you very simple English sentences, and we will modify our sentences using different linking verbs. And in most sentences, the meaning will be the same or almost the same. My sentence is, the ocean is salty. Let's substitute the verb is with other linking verbs and keep the same meaning. We may say, the ocean smells salty. The ocean feels salty. The ocean tastes salty. In all these sentences, we use different linking verbs, but we keep the same idea and express it in many different ways. Another sentence is, the teddy bear is fluffy. Let's find other linking verbs to say it in different ways. The teddy bear looks fluffy. The teddy bear feels fluffy. You can also say the teddy bear appears fluffy. The teddy bear appears to be fluffy. When I say that teddy bear appears to be fluffy, I mean that when I saw the teddy bear, I thought that it wouldn't be so fluffy. But when I touch it and I feel how fluffy it is, I say it appears to be fluffy, or it appears fluffy. It is rainy outside. Other possible ways to talk about rainy weather are, it looks rainy, it seems rainy, it appears rainy. The flower is beautiful. It's a very simple sentence, but let's improve your English and say it in different ways. The flower looks beautiful. The flower appears beautiful. Your plan is good. And you might also say, your plan looks good, or your plan sounds good. And you may also say, your plan appears good, or your plan appears to be good. And I have one little comment. We usually use the linking verb appear when something is different from our expectations. It appears to be hot. It means that it is hotter than we expected. He appears to be strong. Again, it means that he is stronger than we expected. You may ask me why it's important to understand the difference between linking verbs and action verbs. My answer is, it is important because you have to understand which word to use after the verb, an adjective or an adverb. Look at these sentences. You look happy, or you looked happily at me. In the first sentence, the word look is a linking verb and we use an adjective happy after it. In the second sentence, the word look is an action verb and we use the adverb happily. When you say you look happy, you mean that you are happy, you look happy, and you feel happy. When you say you looked happily at me, it means that you are glad to see me. In today's video, I wanted to show you how you can make your English sound more advanced. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons.